Hello, I'm Chunyu Liu, and this is my portfolio for ESL Tech 2011. I'm a third-year geography student. I like traveling, dancing, and learning new languages. So you're welcome to talk to me about my major interests, everything. I'll just make friends. So this is my topic for this culture. This class is a culture of preparation. It's meaning about the one of dominant cultures took some social and cultural norms from a minority culture and to make fun and profits out of it when they actually don't have enough knowledge to understand that minority culture. You can take a look at this YouTube videos. It's about 10 minutes and talk a lot of the cultural appropriation and well, like what I just said, cultural appropriation is a violation of the collective intellectual property rights of the minority cultures. It could be very offensive because the minority group doesn't get a chance to speak out, while their heritage is deployed by someone in a position of greater privilege for fun, fashion, and the privileged group is ignorant about the culture. Here's an example from a, a former OSU alumni who is currently teaching at a university. In his blog, he mentioned two examples. Like this one, the white dancers are dressed like they're going to rob a bank, but they are trying to represent the African American culture, so it's really offensive. And in this one, the white dancers are doing the here the coat blackface coat. They're doing this face because this is what they think is a face when African American dancers dance, they do this face, but they actually not. So that is very offensive too. Here's a little organization that is about indigenous satellite people. You can check their website here to learn more about cultural equity concept. Like settler colonialism, colorblind decolonization, reverse racism, and so on. Are my three takeaways from this class. The first one is procrastination. I personally speaking, I'm a procrastinator, and I found out this suggestions are quite helpful. For example, the first one to make schedule for the whole semester, like break up the huge goals to smaller ones so the assignment doesn't seem too intimidating. Second one, it's just like what they did in this class for the e-portfolio. We break down the whole portfolio into small assignments so it will be easier for you to do. And second one, just create a study space with limited distraction. Like put your phone away, don't talk to a roommate. And for me, I need to put my cat in a different room because I can't stop pet him. And here are some strategies for reading online. I always like to install an app that can adjust the brightness of the computer. I like the blue light in my computer because it's really comfortable for my eyes. Also create a good reading environment, like I mentioned before. Eliminate the distraction and I think preview the requirement for the reading material is really helpful to understand the material. And finally, group work. Group work could be very tricky, but here's are some techniques to improve the whole thing. The first one is you got to know what is um the strength and weakness of everyone in a group so the team can work at their best. And the second one is technology is useful for group projects, especially like um especially like online class. People don't see each other in reality. Well, I like to use Google Doc and Google Slides to do the project because you can monitor the progress on it. And I always use social apps like WhatsApp to communicate with my group members. Some people prefer email, but that doesn't work for me. And also, I think FaceTime is a good way to hold online meetings. Well, anyway, it's nice to meet you, and that's it for my presentation here.